Add in weather, and I know if you looked outside today, it didn't look particularly bad. We are in the wake of a cold front, so winds being a factor, waves being a factor. And if you plan to get in the water, make sure you get our Surfline forecast at ksby.com and check out those cameras before you go. Okay, forecast outlook looks pretty interesting as early as tomorrow evening. I do think much of the day tomorrow looks okay. Wednesday looks pretty busy. I think most of the rain falls before Thursday. I'm not saying Thursday's perfect. It's just a lot better than Wednesday. And if we're, Wednesday's the big travel day. So keep that in mind. Rain, snow, and thunderstorms all possible in the forecast. And the national weather also looks active. We're going to go through some of this pretty quickly. Mid-50s, low 60s for much of the area, though the Santa Barbara County South Coast is close to 70 degrees, thanks to northeast winds there. Lompoc, Gaviota, winds are averaging 23 to 29 miles per hour, so the wind advisory, not a surprise, covering part of that area. Our storm, again, is just coming out of the Gulf of Alaska. It gets into northern California, the Pacific Northwest tomorrow afternoon. It propagates down as we get into the day on Wednesday. Thursday, much of the energy is actually to the south of us, but again, some showers still swinging through. Friday looks okay, but Saturday another system arrives for rainfall. Sunday, Monday, this system looks to have a southwesterly connection. It could really add up to some more significant rainfall. So what's the forecast for rain? Half-inch to inch and a half through Wednesday, most of the rain falling Wednesday. So Thursday, maybe adding a few drops here and there, but not that much. Friday, again, also pretty quiet. But once we go from Sunday through Tuesday, we could add another inch or inch and a half there or even more. So this entire forecast deserves to be watched. Again, winds are the big factor tonight. They stay breezy all the way into tomorrow morning. This is a look at tomorrow evening. Showers beginning as early as 8 o'clock. But again, most of the activity really holds off to the middle of the overnight. So this is 1 a.m. It's showers with isolated thunderstorms. With thunderstorms, we can get isolated waterspouts and hail as well. Just something to note as this system rolls through into the early hours on Wednesday. And then just on and off showers all day Wednesday and isolated thunderstorms. As we get into Thursday, I think mostly cloudy with a few scattered showers are possible. The model's not really picking up big on it, but again, it's still there. So the wind advisory through 9 tonight, winds 20 to 30. Gusting up to 40 miles per hour. That energy gets in the water, so it's 10 to 15 foot waves into Wednesday afternoon. Wednesday through Friday, it's a winter storm warning for the Santa Barbara County Mountains and really more so for the Ventura County Mountains, where at the higher elevations we could see up to a foot of new snow there. Statewide travel is also a mess, especially as you get into the higher elevations. So what to do about the forecast? Make sure you get the KSBY weather app. It covers you locally. It also covers you no matter where you go. Okay, nationally quickly here, you can see a major storm system moving through the central section of the country as well as we get Tuesday into Wednesday. Wednesday, a very active day across the west and the south. Thursday, messy across the Four Corners region. We already talked about our weather, but we have to talk about what happens on Friday. Look at the Dakotas here and rain all the way from South Dakota into central Texas. It's going to be a very busy period, especially for the western two-thirds of the country. Low 60s for highs tomorrow, partly cloudy much of the day. Again, the rainfall arrives late. 66 Santa Ynez, Solvang, 53 Cuyama. In the 5 cities, beaches, about 60. Again, it's going to be breezy conditions. The winds are out of the northwest. We're stuck in this trough of low pressure. So, boy, gone are those days of 80s and 90s. If you look at the extended forecast, a lot of low 50s for daytime highs. Again, it's rain and isolated thunderstorms through Thursday. Friday, a bit of a break. Saturday and Sunday, the rain resumes. So, in a very active forecast, the number one thing, stay informed. Richard, Karina, back to you.